Hey, that's my car! Put it down, now!
Yeah.
You're gonna pay for that! All you lousy alien machines, you're gonna pay, I swear!
Hey! You're the one who parked that thing under a trash heap!
And listen up, you overgrown vacuum cleaner! That trash heap wasn't there when I parked it! Whoa!
And how is that my fault?
Hey, you put me down! I know my rights! I'm calling the cops! Or a tow truck!
The city will cover the damages to your vehicle, sir. Now, I suggest you go about your business.
This isn't over, Tin Can! Whoa!
Will you get in already?
What's the magic word?
Now!
Whew, it's gonna be a long day.
Listen up, Scrap Heap. You're not an Autobot, and you never will be an Autobot. You're only good for one thing. Garbage!
I am wreck-gar. I am only good for one thing.
Garbage!
Wow, you just have a way with words, don't you?
Hold still, will ya? I mean, are you all right, sir?
Microphone, microscope, microfiber.
Listen, you useless rusting hunk of scrambled circuitry!
Ratchet! You did it! You saved the city!
You're a hero!
He's no hero. He destroyed my microbots.
In that case, the mayor refuses to renew your sanitation contract.
Listen up, you organic meat buckets! Either you settle this garbage dispute here and now, or I will dump you both in the river! Got it? What do you know? They like me. They really like me. Guess I got away with words.